The approach that we take with clients here is that we treat them as if they were our own friends or family. We try to keep good relationships with our clients, both when the case is going on and afterwards. We make an effort not to treat people as if they're just clients.
It is satisfying personally to be able to help people who are hurting, to offer aid to them and comfort to them. And it's personally rewarding for myself and the other lawyers here to provide that kind of care. The other reason is that it's really meticulous work. There's two sides to every case. It's not just how it happened, but what happened. How are you injured? And at the White Law Firm, we are mainly a litigation law firm. We do
personal injury, estate litigation, business litigation, as well as criminal defense. We have extensive experience in assaults, drug charges, driving while impaired, typically simple assaults, assault with a deadly weapon.
We do injury work, mainly as a plaintiff's law firm. I do represent one small insurance company on the defense side, so I get both sides of the work, and I'm able to understand as a plaintiff's lawyer what defense lawyers go through.
When you're selecting an attorney to handle your case, you want to be careful how you select them. You want to make sure that you're using someone that you can trust, not only with your case, but also with your money.
They should be looking for the lawyers that have actually tried their case, because most cases settle before a trial. Statistically, that's true all over. But you're only able to settle if the other side believes you can try the case. Otherwise, you have to settle at a figure that is less than your client deserves. So if the defendant, the one that's getting sued, if they don't believe that you as a lawyer can actually try the case, can present it to a jury, and make it believable, then they're not going to pay you what you deserve in the case, because they think they can pay you less, then you will settle for fear of having to try the case. So
we understand that every judge has different things that they want to see in a case, and certain things that will anger them. And because of that, basically institutional knowledge that the White Law Firm has from existing for such a long period of time, we have an advantage that many other law firms may not have.
So a client should be looking at a lawyer that's not afraid of the courtroom, that likes the courtroom, that likes telling the client's story. Otherwise, they're not going to get the recovery that they deserve. You should really call the White Law Firm or some other competent lawyer. You need your advice before you make any statement, before you sign any document. You need help to do that. They can talk to us about our experience, meet Dawson, meet the staff, tell us about their case so that we can get to know them. And all that consultation time is free in the beginning. And then they'll be called on to make a decision about whether they want us to help them and under what conditions. There's always a written attorney's fee contract. If you don't have one, ask for one. We like to write it down. We want our clients to know exactly what to expect from us and exactly what we expect from them.